I am Dr. Naresh Garg, founder of New Life Structures. So nowadays I am getting lot of queries. First is that someone has a heritage building and they want to preserve that building for a long time. Another type of queries we come across, that you have a building and you want to put some additional floors on that. How to do that? How to tackle that? And a third type of query is like, you have a building, it's a residential building, now you want to convert that building to a library or some sort of that type of building which has a lot of additional load on that. So how to tackle that? So for all these type of queries, there is a one great engineering exists, and we are expert in that, and we do lot of that work.
No
and
option in front of them.
is as a rehabilitation
So beams
of
were
structure.
sagging, the slab
So this is a very,
was
I would
cracking.
say nowadays common service, and we provide that service for buildings as a rehabilitation. So what is rehabilitation? Actually it is strengthening, it's giving strength to the existing building and repair of to the existing building, so that it can take additional loads, it can withstand wind load, seismic load as per the new guidelines. And we can say now that after the strengthening, after the rehabilitation, our building is safe and fulfill all the codal requirements. The older buildings, and those are the key buildings for us, some buildings are even made of mud. We have done projects similar to that. We have preserved, we have rehabilitated the buildings of a mud buildings. From mud building to now we are strengthening those buildings for a longer period. So it is possible that we give strength to the old mud buildings, old heritage buildings. Other area is when we want to increase the floors on that. The cases come like metro station comes to some area, or some guidelines, some additional FAR we gain. Because of that, client wants that we want to add some floors on the existing building, but the existing building is not designed for that additional loads. So there the role comes of rehabilitation. They need rehabilitation. Third is, if I say the lifespan of building, more than 80 years building, the building has completed its lifespan, but we don't want to dismantle that building. So without dismantling that building, how to give strength to that building? There the role comes of rehabilitation. Additional floors, heritage buildings, then I would say if the lifespan is completed. Fourth is the typical cases come, someone has done a wrong design, wrong structural design and the substandard structure design, and building has already been executed. Then we found that now this is an under designed building. How to take care that, how to give strength to that building without dismantling. So these are the areas where we need rehabilitation. New Life is expert, and New Life is committed to these type of services. How New Life does rehabilitation to these buildings. So this is a step-by-step procedure. Our first step, New Life's first step is to check to see the existing condition of building.
These are sagging, no
we
doubt
make
the
all
slab
the
has
detailed plans of the existing building. If data available, we study all the structural drawings of the existing building. After getting all the data, after seeing all things of the existing building, and then we get the information that how much changes is required, what is the client's requirement, whether they need additional floors, whether they want to just preserve the existing building. So we check all the requirements from the client, and this is what to do. Now we have existing data, we know what is our requirement. So we do an analysis, we run analysis on our softwares, where we check what is the additional things required to do in the existing building. Which type of rehabilitation techniques we need to implement in that. Whether jacketing of the column is required, whether carbon wrapping is required, whether injection grouting is required. There are so many techniques involved in
all the
rehabilitation.
beams, shear
So
connector
which
we applied.
fits to which building, that analysis we do. After this, we make the detailed drawings of these techniques. We make detailed drawings of the additions which is required. We give standard operating procedure SOPs to the client to implement that. Based upon this, the complete design data is given to client for implementation. Because this is not a common construction, we do periodic checking of this during construction itself. That service we provide, because here day-to-day involvement, no one knows what is inside the existing building. When do we do injection grouting, many problems or what many type of day-to-day challenges we experience in execution also. So we provide service, we help them, we do give a day-to-day solution to those problems. Whatever is required as per the code, help them to implement that. So this is the standard procedure to rehabilitate the building. Now NEWLIFE has all the solutions. NEWLIFE has done all these type of projects, and we have very good examples which we can show them, that how we can increase the life of the old buildings, how we can implement additional floors, and how we can do if someone has done a wrong design or whatever. Don't afraid, come to us. We can design that. We can make your dream comes true. It's possible nowadays. NEWLIFE is there. Thank you very much.